Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about incline dumbbell curl. So let's walk through this. We're going to start out with an incline bench. We're going to lie back. We're going to have our head and our back on the bench, and we're going to let the dumbbells hang down. So what you don't want is to start here. You want to keep those arms down, let gravity do its thing. And from here, your biceps are going to be in that lengthened position. You want to keep that, and you want to, from there, just curl up. Think about bringing those palms up to the shoulder and then coming back down. Again, coming all the way up. Notice here, I'm not swinging. I'm not bringing my elbows up or anything like that. My elbows remain in one spot beneath my shoulders there, and curling up. Feel free to use a little lighter weight than what you usually do. This is definitely a great bicep exercise. I love incorporating incline curls. I love switching it up. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about that, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.